Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your aging Dell XPS desktop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 8GB DDR3 1600 MHz memory module, designed for the Dell XPS 8500, 8700, and 8700 SE models. If you're still rocking one of these XPS machines, you know they're reliable workhorses, but they can start to feel sluggish, especially when multitasking or running more demanding applications. One of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to boost performance is by upgrading the RAM. This ATEC module is a single 8GB stick operating at 1600 MHz with a PC3-12800 rating. It's a DDR3 DMM, so it has the standard 240-pin configuration. Importantly, it's non-ECC unbuffered memory, which is exactly what these Dell XPS models require. It also operates at the standard DDR3 voltage of 1.5V, ensuring compatibility and stability. The beauty of this upgrade lies in its simplicity. ATEC has designed this memory to be easily installed at home. No need to be a tech guru. Just consult your Dell XPS manual for the correct RAM slots and channel configuration. The installation process is generally straightforward, involving opening the case, locating the RAM slots, and carefully inserting the module until it clicks into place. More RAM translates directly to improved performance. Your system can handle more simultaneous tasks, run applications more smoothly, and experience fewer slowdowns. Whether you're editing photos, working on large documents, or simply browsing the web with multiple tabs open, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference. ATEC emphasizes quality control, putting these memory modules through rigorous testing to ensure reliability. This is crucial, as you want memory that will perform consistently and last. And to back that up, ATEC offers a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. Plus, they have a tech team available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter, both before and after your purchase. So, is the ATEC 8GB DDR3 RAM a worthwhile upgrade for your Dell XPS 8500, 8700, or 8700 SE? If you're looking for a simple, affordable way to improve performance and extend the life of your desktop, it's definitely a strong contender. The easy installation, reliable performance, and ATEC's warranty make it a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.